Today I'm gonna show you how to make Pina Colada. It's very tasty drink, and it's very tropical taste with coconut and coconut milk, as well as other pineapple juice as well. So I'm gonna show you. You see, it's very easy to make. You can make in your home as well. So first step is to add pineapple juice in it. It's a pineapple juice. It's 150 ml. I use this blender. It's a commercial blender. Now I'm adding coconut milk powder, 1 teaspoon, and you see, this is the secret of this drink, is vanilla ice cream. This is 1 scoop for 1 glass. You can add more if you want. I am using only 1. Now I'm adding sugar in it, 1 teaspoon crystal sugar, and 3 slices of pineapple, and about 50 ml cream. You can add ice cube as well, but I'm not adding ice cube right now, so I'm just mixing it. I'm gonna add 4 cubes of icing. Now viewers, my second step is to make a garnish for this drink. You just use lemon and spread lemon juice on the right upper side of the glass, and this is a crushed coconut. This is a crushed coconut. You just pull the glass towards that bowl. You see, it's beautiful garnish of coconut crush on the upper side of glass. Now I will put my pina colada in that glass. Viewers, my pina colada is now ready. You can make that pina colada in your regular parties in your home, in the Eid event. Eid is coming after a few days, so you can prep this. It's an easy drink. You can only bring the coconut crush and coconut powder and pineapple juice and pineapple slices. The 5 things make that drink. So it's ready now. The glass is ready and the garnish is ready. Now I'm just pouring that pina colada in that glass. You see how beautiful is this? Excellent, excellent. This straw, and we will garnish with as well with a slice of pineapple. So viewers, my pina colada is ready. It's very easy to make. You have to make it in your regular summer is coming, and this drink is specially made for the summers, and also you can make it for the Ramzan as well. So try it for sure. This will be mouth watering and a very energetic drink for the summer and as well as all seasons. So I suggest you to make this for your guests and for your family. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, share and like as well, and the bell icon button you should press if you want to get these kind of easy drinks. That kind of drinks you can make for commercial level as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.